Solving equations with variables on both sides means getting all the x terms on one side first. 3x plus 2 equals x plus 10. Start by subtracting x from both sides, so there's only one x term left. 3x plus 2 minus x equals x plus 10 minus x. 2x plus 2 equals 10. Next, subtract 2 from both sides to isolate the term with x. 2x plus 2 minus 2 equals 10 minus 2. 2x equals 8. Finally, divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. X equals 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Let's check the answer by substituting x equals 4 back into the original equation. 3 times 4 plus 2 equals 4 plus 10. 14 equals 14. The solution checks out. X equals 4.